Hi everyone. After completion of Sketcher session, we will come to the design session. Okay, in here we will design the 3D modeling. Okay, as you can see the picture, this is your isometric view, and you can assume one of the view which is a front view and side view. Okay, these three views correlated to each other. Okay, first I will choose the right picture is my front view. Okay, before going to the design you should understand the view. Okay, then after you will go for design. Okay, let's start similarly 3D part design. As we are not working in plane system, hide the plane system, insert a plane, create a point, insert an axis, just going through the sketch, take a line, same thing. Last time we are doing one by one, but this time I am doing directly because we have profile. Okay, so this dimension, what is this dimension? That is 85. Dimension is 85. What is this vertical dimension? The vertical dimension is 60, 26, and for the horizontal is 24 and 10. This is 24, this is 26, this is my 10. Okay, as you can see in this picture there is no dimension given, so you can assume this line it is in your middle. Okay, it lies in your middle. So if you minus 85 minus 24, it is 16, 61. So if this dimension 61 by 2, because both side you need to keep same. Then for a exist workbench, okay, we're going to that, sorry, should understand the concept. This is 30, delete. From this line to this line, what is the dimension? You can see here 60, 60.82. As it is your front view, this is your side view. So side view height is 60.82. Here it is 60.8. Okay, 60.82. You delete this, it is 60.82, and if the dimension this one, that is 61 by. Okay, then go for exist workbench. So what is the pad length now? You can see this is your front view. If you see this one is your front view. Okay, this one is your front view. Okay, this one is your front view. So what is the length? What is this length? This length is this one. Okay, so the thickness is 52. Thickness is 52. We are going to give the thickness as pad, that is 50. Okay, now comes to the side view. This is my side view. So you can see here the side view, it is a rectangle. We need to remove, that is 20 from the base, 20 thickness, sorry, the 20 length we need to remove. And here in this side the height is 38.82 and 12. Okay, so same thing, just go to the side view. This is my front view, so this is my side view. Okay, I'm taking two rectangle because I want to remove. So what is the rectangle? First one, first to assume the first one 20 20. Okay, so from this line to horizontal axis it is how much? 20. And I'm making coincident, right click, coincident, and this length is how much? It is 20. Okay, and same thing, this height is how much? 38.82. 38.82, and I'm giving coincident, right click, coincident, this one also, right click, coincident, same thing, coincident. Then what is this length? This length is, I think, 12. This is 12. That length is. Then go for exist workbench, add and remove. Drag it, preview, and this is your final picture. Okay, I think everyone got this.